Did you know the Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs ever? Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts. Fact 1. Brachiosaurus means arm lizard. Its front legs were longer than its back legs, giving it a unique stance. These giants weighed as much as 12 elephants. Imagine the ground shaking as they walked. Brachiosaurus could reach up to 50 feet tall, making it one of the tallest dinosaurs to ever walk the earth. They lived about 154 million years ago during the Jurassic period. Imagine the world of dinosaurs they roamed. Brachiosaurus had a long neck, perfect for reaching high vegetation. They were nature's skyscrapers. So there you have it. These facts make Brachiosaurus truly mind-blowing. Hit like and subscribe for more amazing dinosaur facts.